Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to find out how to change your phone number on your Amazon account. Firstly, you need to open your Amazon app. Now tap on the profile icon on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Your Account option. Now you see the Login and Security option. Tap on that. Now in this tab, you will be asked your email ID and your password. Please put your email ID and password into it. Once you have verified your account, now you're in the Login and Security menu. Here you can see the third option as Edit Mobile Phone Number. Now you can select Edit. And this brings us to the next screen. In this tab, we have to enter our new mobile phone number. Now enter your new mobile phone number and let it verify. You will be sent a one-time OTP to verify your number. Now enter your OTP and there you go. Your mobile phone number has been changed. See you next time.